G'day folks, this is Gormo here. A little update on the Newmarket yard panel. Most of the LEDs and wiring is done now. I've still got a few to go, but I'm getting there. It's all working out pretty well, and just thought I'd give you a bit of a tour around. Wait till you see the back. You can see that there's a massive wiring and resistors and LEDs in there. What I do is, in the past I've used wire insulation to join the resistor to the LED, just a push fit, a slip fit, but I've actually run out of suitable insulation, so I've gone back to soldering resistors to LEDs and wires to LEDs, etc, etc. And I usually do the wiring first. I fix the resistor to the LED and the wires, etc, and then push the whole schmozzle into the hole here in the board, and have a look at the face to make sure it's not pushed through too far, and then just put a drop of super glue around the LED to keep it in place. I've got to tidy up the wiring, especially over this side here. I'm sort of working on this area at the moment, and get some cable ties on there and tidy it up a bit. I've got to put a few more LEDs down here, and a couple more on this side, and it'll be done. So I'm getting there. Right, this is this will give you a bit of an idea of what's going on the panel here. I've used different coloured LEDs. I have purple ones here, here, here and here. They're not all on at the moment, and they are specifically for the release roads, and they also act as markers for the other roads. What it means is this LED here is a marker for these roads, and this LED here is a marker for the loco roads. What happens is the train storage roads have what I would call a amber red coloured LED, a very orangey sort of amber, if you know what I mean, and over on the loco roads we've got a yellow, or probably, I guess it's yellow, you could call it amber, but it's more of a yellow, quite a bright yellow, to show which road's active there. We also have the cutout switches to kill the power to the road. So that's the front section is on, back section is on, etc, etc, and they're all the same the way down. The release road default setting is normally on, but you can flick it off, and with the major release road up here, there is an isolated section over this side that you can shut off. If you wanted to bring a loco out from this yard, from this road into here, and you wanted to get the one at the back out, what you could do is bring it out, the first one out, put it over there, isolate it, bring the second one out, put it in there, run the road down here somewhere, get rid of the second loco, bring the yard back up and push that one back in. So it's just a convenience thing to have an isolated section there, but the default setting is normally on. Anyway, I'll show you how this thing works. If you can see the colours, I don't know whether you can, but what I'll do is I'll first of all bring it back to the release road, and it should show that all the purple LEDs are on. That means the release road is a straight through road. Then we'll move it down to road 6, and you should see that now the release road here lines up with road 6, which will come through here. The loco will go into this road and disengage. You might notice also that this marker LED is lining up with the loco road 6 here. So when it's 6 in the train storage roads, it's 6 in the loco roads. Now we'll move to 5, and hopefully the LEDs have come on. Yes, they have. So road 5 is lit up, road 5 in the loco yard, and we'll go down to 4. Same thing. You can see how this is panning out. They've now leveled up there. And road 3, and there we are. road 3 in the loco yard, road 3 in the train storage yard. So a train comes in from the release road here, travels along road 3, the loco actually moves into the